Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys client exe system error, then this is the right video for you. First, search and open command prompt on your computer. Make sure to choose Run as administrator. Now, run the following commands. First, type in sfc /scan now. Then, press enter. After that, type in the command as shown here on the screen. Once it's done, press enter. Now, close command prompt and search and open Defender Firewall. From here, click on Allow an app or feature on the left. Click on Change Settings and then go to Allow another app. Now, click on Browse and then locate the file where Fall Guys is installed. From there, select the file named Fall Guys EA Launcher. After selecting, click on Open and then cancel this part, then click on OK. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.